When it comes to keeping aircraft wings ice-free, two primary systems are in play: de-icing boots and thermal systems. De-icing boots are inflatable rubber devices attached to the leading edges of wings. When ice forms, these boots inflate, cracking the ice and allowing it to shed off. This method is effective for light to moderate icing conditions. On the other hand, thermal systems use heated air or electrical elements to prevent ice accumulation. Heated air is often routed through ducts in the wings, while electrical systems utilize resistive heating elements. Thermal systems provide continuous protection, making them ideal for severe icing environments. Both systems have their advantages and limitations. De-icing boots are simpler and lighter, while thermal systems offer more consistent performance. Ultimately, the choice between de-icing boots and thermal systems depends on the specific aircraft design and the anticipated weather conditions during flight. Understanding these systems is crucial for safe aviation operations.